Guys, in this video we are going to see that how to create our first Maven project. So I'm opening the Eclipse and we need to go to the file, okay, and then we need to go to new and then we need to go to project. You'll be getting an option of Maven, okay, so click over Maven and then go into okay. You click on next and create a simple project. Click over here, okay, and then use the default workspace location. What it is talking about is that the workspace location, when we start Eclipse, it asks for a location, okay, it asks for a location, and that is what the default workspace location is present in our C drive, okay. So going to next, we need to provide the group ID. Say group ID is basically your the team ID or something, whatever you would have in your industry level. So let's put it from IT, okay, and artifact ID is firm IT 1, okay, firm IT 1, okay. So you can put the name also if you want, but this is okay if you're not putting the name. This is okay, but you can put the name. First MVN, first Maven project. You can provide underscore here, okay, it is allowed to provide underscore. So yeah, okay, we are finishing the Maven project and it will be created, okay. So this is the Maven project which has been created here, the firm IT1, and now in this Maven project we have many files, and in src/test.java we will create packages and write our test, okay. So here we will write our test, and in this pom.xml we will import our dependencies. So in order to import the dependency, what we need to do is to what is the dependency I'm talking about here is that particular dependency that we need to import in order to escape this particular line. Which line? This line. What does this line does? It provides the browser driver reference, okay. So we need to delete that particular browser driver which we have downloaded, and we need not download the separate browser drivers of the Chrome driver, Gecko driver, Edge driver, and etc, okay. So we need not download the Chrome browser driver into our C drive and then provide the path. So we need something, okay. What do we need? A Maven project. That is what we are doing, and in this pom.xml file we need to paste our dependency under the dependencies tag, okay. So this is what the dependencies tag is, and then you click enter here, and then you go to Maven repository. Okay, see, this is the Maven repository, mvnrepository.com, and you go over here and then first search. See, WebDriver manager dependency. What is the WebDriver manager? Clearly as the name suggests, it manages the web drivers, okay. So it provide all the web drivers, right? So search it, go here and go to the latest, and then control C over here, copy this particular dependency and then minimize it, and then here paste it, control V, right? So this is the first dependency what we have pasted, and we'll now paste the second dependency. Go to the Maven repository again and search here Selenium Java dependency, okay. So search here. What is Selenium Java? I told you the second problem what we face during the not using the Maven project. So what was the second problem? I told that someone may be using the Selenium 4.0, some may be using the deprecated version, some may be using the updated version. So in order to not face this problem, or that somebody's other script is not running over your computer, this dependency has to be downloaded and brought into your computer. So go here and click on 4.4.0, and this is the latest dependency, okay. So control C, and then everybody has to paste this particular dependency in their laptop, and the problem will be solved of downloading the various versions of Selenium and all that, okay. This is what we have to paste here. Now we need to save this particular project. This is the control S, so let me wait because it is still building. Okay, so it is just 36% built and it is still building. As soon as it will build up the dependencies here and it will load, you know what will happen, you will get a Maven dependencies folder here. Okay, so just wait and wait for the dependencies to build up to 100% and you will get a Maven dependency folder here, and this dependency will manage our problems of the version control. Okay, so it has stopped building any process here. So now let's save the project and then once again refresh it. So now let's go to our test/java, and now we can create a new package here. We can write it as first mvn test. Okay, we're giving the name to the package as first Maven test, and then we're going to create a class over here as we used to do into a Java project, and name of the class is first underscore test 1. Okay, so create a public static void main method over here and then click over finish, and now this is our Maven project and Maven space where we will write our script for the test to be performed. Now one screenshot I would like to show you that WebDriver Manager resolves the driver binaries for the browser Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Opera, Phantom JS, Internet Explorer. What I told you, it is telling here that WebDriver basically helps us to resolve that particular downloadation of the browser driver, and it helps us to escape that thing, and just we need to write this particular line over into our script WebDriver manager.chromedriver.setup, and it will set up our Chrome driver. And if we need for Firefox driver, we can write the line WebDriver manager.firefoxdriver.setup and so on, guys. So this is what we have to write into our script. So let's go back to our script and then right here WebDriver manager dot c, it is telling Chrome driver, right? Chrome driver, and then dot setup, it is suggesting us, right? So see, here there are no error, and our script now knows that it has to hit the Chrome driver. Now we will create the Chrome driver equal to new. Okay, so sorry, this is capital C and then colon. So we will hover over here and import our Chrome driver. Again, we have created the object of the Chrome driver class, so we can use the method inside it. And again, we will write here driver dot get, and type here the URL of the google.com, or this time let's write facebook.com. Okay, https://www.facebook.com. yeah, it's correct. So let's control S, the project is saved, and let's try to run it. So see, it has launched the Chrome browser and it is opening facebook.com, and it opened it. Okay, and the Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So this is the way we set up our first Maven project. And if you want to open over the Firefox driver, then you can go for WebDriver manager dot, it will give us Firefox driver, right? Dot setup. Okay, so we will do this, and Firefox driver is set up. We will comment this line, and we will comment this line also, and then we need to create the object of the Firefox driver. Driver equals to new Fox. Now this should be small, I guess. The Firefox F should be, this is small f. So we imported the Firefox driver, and you need to put this constructor here. So why is this giving error? It should be Firefox. The F should be small of the Firefox. Okay, while creating the object. So it is created the object of the Firefox driver class, and now we have written this setup of the Firefox driver. So now our script knows that it has to hit the Gecko driver. Okay, so if you run this script, then Firefox driver will be launched and facebook.com will be opened over there. So let's run and select all, and yeah, okay. So the script is running, and yes, it's loading, and Firefox is open, and see, this is Firefox and Mozilla Firefox, and then the Facebook open. So this is how we can run over the Firefox driver. And if you want to see for the Edge driver, you can write web driver ma dot edge driver. Okay, all right, done, set. Yeah, need to come in this line because we have to use the edge driver, and then we can write here, or wait, I'm commenting this and I'll write new line for you. Anyway, you can write, the commented line has no meaning. Okay, so you have to write edge driver is equals to new. Okay, so what it is suggesting us, it's, yeah, edge driver, and it has imported the edge driver. You can see here all the dependencies are being imported above, and now our script knows that it has to hit the edge driver. Okay, so browser driver will be the edge driver, and we have created the object of the edge driver, and this object will provide us the method driver.get, and we will open the facebook.com over here. So if you control S the script and then save the script, and then run it, now that the script has started to run, and yes, it's running, and yes, the Edge browser has been launched, and Microsoft Edge is being controlled by the automated test of it, and the facebook.com has opened. So this is how we set up our first Maven project, and this is how we tell the script that you need to hit the browser driver of the Edge, Microsoft Edge, or you need to hit the Chrome driver, or you need to hit the Firefox browser driver. Okay, and obviously we need to create the class object to use the method inside the classes present. Okay, so these all are the classes object. So I hope so that this is clear to you. And another way of running this script is you can go to run as, and then run as Java application. Okay, so it will again launch the Edge browser driver and will open www.facebook.com login page. Okay, so yeah, it has done. So these are the two ways of running. I just wanted to show you, so I have shown. So I hope that this is clear to you, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep watching the playlist. Thank you.